FEIBOER shaping professional brand. Set up the industry benchmark. A leading enterprise to help national brands to the world. Customer first. Struggle-oriented. Talent first. Innovative spirit. Win-win cooperation. Sincere and trustworthy. Users are the basis of its survival and development. User first is the commitment of FEIBOER to users. Through quality service to meet the needs of global users to the greatest extent. Hunan FEIBOER Optical Communication Equipment Co. Ltd. has more than 15 years of professional experience in the development and production of fiber optic cable, and with its own core technology and talent team rapid development and expansion. The company's business covers indoor fiber optic cable, outdoor fiber optic cable, power fiber optic cable and a variety of fiber optic accessories. Is a collection of production, research and development, sales, export is one of the integrated enterprises. Since the company was founded, the introduction of the world's most advanced optical cable manufacturing and testing equipment, its intelligent production lineup to more than 30, including power fiber optic cable ADSS and OPGW production equipment, from the entrance of raw materials to 100% qualified products. Every link is strictly controlled and guaranteed. FEIBOER fiber optic cable annual output of 8 million kilometers. Power fiber optic cable ADSS, OPGW, ASU, FTTH, GYFTI, Figeure, GYXGW, etc. Products are exported to North America and South America, Southeast Asia, Africa, the Middle East and other more than 80 countries and regions. We also have a professional fiber optic cable technology services, testing, installation, marketing team. Become a FEIBOER partner with access to our high-quality optical cable products and services. Tailored solutions for specific needs. Marketing plans. Competitive prices and discounts. Technical support and training. As well as growth and expansion opportunities in the fiber optic cable industry. A cooperation model to jointly gather wealth and open up the future is a solid cornerstone to realize ideals and create brilliance. FEIBOER. Welcome to join us. FEIBOER has become the most trusted partner in the fiber optic cable industry. Contact us for your free project analysis and more information on our fiber optic cable products. We'll provide you with cost-effective and powerful solutions to make your project a lasting success.